Cambodia is a country ravaged by war. In 30 years of fighting, nearly half the population died. 3 million killed by genocide, landmines, or starvation. We all know wars kill when they're in the headlines, but when peace comes, we assume the killing ends, and like the TV cameras, we move on. Sadly, it doesn't work like that. Ten years after the war, Cambodians are still struggling to overcome its legacy. 6 million landmines, 40,000 maimed, and many more disabled. Even now, 2 people in Cambodia step on landmines every day. With landmines, there's no ceasefire. And it's not just about those who lose limbs. Landmines cripple whole communities by denying access to clean drinking water, by preventing families from growing their own food, by keeping children out of school when they're forced to stay at home and help injured parents. LMDS is a small charity which helps disabled people rebuild their lives. In Cambodia, we provide the things disabled people need to establish viable businesses and develop independent lives. Here are just some of the people LMDS has helped. Whether it's forming self-help groups so disabled people can run their own affairs, or helping them to make a business plan, preventing disease, or improving crops. LMDS provides the training and support that gives disabled people the prospect of a normal life. A donation of just £10 will enable Luch Ning to buy 10 chickens and start his poultry business. £20 will allow Mrs. Wang Ni to buy a pair of bicycles so her children can go to school. With £50, LMDS can build a well so Chok Im and his village can get clean drinking water. We can do a lot for a little in Cambodia. And with the gift aid tax reclaim of 28%, it goes even further. Whatever you can afford, please make a donation to LMDS now. You will change people's lives.